What's the meaning of crystal meth? Crystal meth. Crystal meth.
Crystal meth. Crystal meth. Crystal meth, also known as crystal methamphetamine, is a highly addictive and potent stimulant drug that affects the central nervous system. It is a crystalline form of methamphetamine that can be smoked, snorted or injected. The effects of crystal meth include increased wakefulness, increased physical activity, decreased appetite, and a euphoric high. However, the drug can also cause severe side effects such as anxiety, paranoia, aggression, hallucinations, and even death. Long-term use of crystal meth can lead to addiction, brain damage, and other health problems.